Hey guys, we're here on Shri, and we're back with another review video. And today we are reviewing this Snap Circuits Junior. It is really easy to build and fun to do.
And you can build over 100 electronic projects.
And it comes with 30 parts. And look at this. There's a chip, a fan, a speaker. There's a lot of stuff in here. I can't wait to try this out. So let's open it. Whoa! First I have this instruction manual.
And then it looks like this is the pad
where we're gonna build stuff. And then here's the 30 parts.
Oh look! Batteries.
I think these are supposed to go in this battery compartment. Let's see, these are AA batteries. You need 2 AA batteries to operate this.
Yeah.
So now
that that's there, we're gonna be looking at the instruction booklet and seeing what we're going to be doing.
So first, let's say my brother will do his project first.
So first, I'm going to be doing something called
Shri, it's in the fan area.
First, I'm going to be doing something called the flying saucer. This looks pretty cool, and I want to try and do it. So it looks like it's come with easy parts. So let's do it.
I think what it's gonna do, it's like if you turn it on, it's gonna generate enough power, and when you turn it off, it'll boom in the air.
Well, let's see.
So let's try.
Alright guys, so let's do the flying saucer. First, I think I'm gonna need this piece.
Oh, you're gonna need this too.
I know. First, I'm gonna put that right there. And then I think I'm gonna be needing this piece.
Right, it's 3.
Okay, so first let's do this.
Let's put this,
this 3 module right here.
So I think this is actually pretty easy because it's a project 11. When I do it, I'm gonna get a higher project.
So then I think I'm gonna be needing this battery compartment it came with. And then I think this is the fan module. And guys, it says that it's real. So look guys, look. You see this positive sign is this and negative sign. I think the positive sign is actually supposed to go toward the 3 modules. So let's put that right there.
Are you gonna be needing a fan blade?
Yeah, of course. And then I think I'm gonna need this S1 slide switch. So then let's put this here. And then lastly, all we need to put is this. So guys, let's try it out and see if it works. Alright guys,
well,
give it enough
turning on.
speed
Oh
to
look,
generate.
it's blowing this. It's blowing this paper.
Whoa!
Okay, so that worked really well. Okay guys, now it is my turn and I'm doing something called the fuse. So here's a good look at the instruction manual. The fuse. It looks like it's a little upside down for you. Sorry, but try to understand as much as you can. Okay, so we are going to be building it. Let's do this. Here, let's take some parts out of here. Okay, we have enough parts for the whole thing. Okay, so first one, it says I need to put this battery module here on the pad. A little higher at the pad, right here. If you're doing this at home, guys, make sure to follow my instructions. Then next what you need to do is a slide switch. This is a slide switch. It's like, this is a slide switch, so make sure you know that. And then you're gonna put the slide switch facing this way. And then you're gonna need this motor. But before you put on the slide switch, you're gonna want to keep it right there, just 1 pin away, and take the slide switch, connect it.
By the way, guys,
like
all the parts are included in the box, so you don't need to go out and buying these parts.
Yeah. So now what you need to do is take one of these 2 modules, put it right here at the motor. And then next what you need to do, actually take that off, you need to take a press switch. You can press it like that. And then next what you need to take is a lamp sock. This is the lamp sock. If you don't know the lamp socket, it's a lamp technically. And if you can't find it, read the numbers. It'll say L1, and this one says L1 on it. See that?
The numbers.
And now we're gonna keep first the 2 module. First the press switch. We're gonna keep it on those pins. Then the 2 module will go right here. Next, the lamp sock will go right next to this one. And then you need 1 2 module and 1 1 module. The 1 module will go on top of the L1 lamp sock. and the 2 module will go on top, connecting them both. Next, what you're going to do is take a 2 module, like this, and connect it on both sides for the other side. Next, you need another 2 module. This is right here. And then what you're going to be needing is, oh wait, guys, sorry. But before you put these 2 on, a 1 has to go on L1 like this. It should be like this. It should be like this. And then you're gonna connect the 2 under another 2 module under this. Let me move 1 second. Under this, and then put a 1 on the battery module and put like this. Woo. 1 second. Okay, now we need to put the fan blade on the motor. See? Oh, it actually works. So this on switch will turn on the light. So this will turn the light. But if you want the fan to on, the plus switch, you have to turn it on, press the switch, and it'll turn on like this. And make sure, kids at home, when this motor is running, do not touch. Your finger will get cut severely. So now, that's it for my project. We're gonna move on to Shri's next project.
Alright guys, now I'm gonna be doing my next project, which is called the laser gun. Pew 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 pew. So now, first what I'm going to be needing is it's a 6 module. I got confused with a 9 or a 6 module. And just place that there. And then I'm going to be needing this U2 alarm IC. This must be what's providing the sound effects.
The battery component is obviously what's generating. And you need the battery component for every project.
Yeah, every project, or else the project will not work. Then I'm going to be needing 3 modules and just placing them like a bridge from the 6 module to the alarm module, to the alarm IC module. Then I'm going to be taking this standing speaker module piece and then just placing it right there, yeah, like there, like so. And then I'm going to be taking a 2 module and placing it right next, placing a bridge from the 6 module to the speakers, standing speaker piece. Then I'm going to be taking an R1 resistor piece. This supposed to be what's transferring the alarm IC to the speaker module,
which will play the sounds.
Yes. Then I'm going to be taking a 5 module and placing it right under. That's right, like there, right there. Then let's take I'm going to be taking a 2 module and placing it a bridge from the alarm module to the 5 module. Then I'm going to be taking another 2 module and placing that right here. But first I'm going to be taking the battery compartment.
Obviously you need that.
And then placing that right there. Then I'm going to be taking the 2 module and making a bridge from the 5 module to the battery compartment. Then lastly, what I need is the S1 slide switch. And then let's place that right there.
And see if it works.
3, 2, 1. Whoa, you hear that?
Yeah. Yeah, that's like actual laser guns.
Yeah.
You hear that? Yeah, we have some at home and it sounds exactly. Trust me, guys.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, now we're gonna move on to my project. Okay, guys, the project I'm gonna be doing is called Fun with Alarm IC. So let's get started. First, take a 6 module, place it in the middle. Next, what you want to do is take a U1 and U2, place it right here, and make sure you place it in my order, or else your machine is gonna go wrong. And make sure they are close enough so that a 2 is placed with them. And then next, take a 2 module, connect the U1 and U2 together. Then let's take for you want to take a WC chip and a 3 module. To connect the WC chip on the first pin, take the 3 module on the second pin. Then take the press switch, put it on the U2 first pin, the 3 module for the second pin. And for the third pin, take an RP photoresistor. And then on top of that RP, take a 3. And make sure on one side, the 3 has a 1 module connected to it. And make sure this side connects to the photoresistor. This side will connect to a slide switch right here. So you're going to place the slide switch on the pins. And then when you put this one on the RP, this one can easily connect to the switch. Snaps on just like that. Okay, so then next what you want to do is take a 2 module piece. As you know, first take the 2 module piece, then connect a 1 on one side, and then the one piece for the 1 is going to connect to the slide switch, and then that's going to connect from the speaker. Okay, the speaker will connect from the U2 to here, to the slide switch. And then next, the 2 will be under the speaker, like this. So here how far I've gone. 2 connects right here, and there's another 2 under the pins. Make sure it's like this, guys. Next, what you want to do is take another 2 module, place it at the 2 at the bottom, like this. Then take a battery compartment, is it? And place it right there, like this, or else the machine ain't gonna work. And then what you need to do is take another 2 module, place it on the other side of the battery compartment, and take a 4, connect the 4 on the pins, but connect the 2 to the 4, like that. Pretty simple and easy, guys. Okay, then next what you want to do is take a LED and an energy transfer, connect the LED right here. Actually, first take the photo transfer, connect it to the pins, and then take the LED so you can easily connect there. Next, what you are going to be doing is first take a 2, connect it to the U2, from this to U2. And then what you want to do is take this fan motor, make sure on one side a U1 module is there. And this side will connect to the 2. Like this. That's good. And that's going to connect to this L1 lamp socket. Like this. Make sure you follow my example steps, or you don't if you're not doing this project. So you're probably wondering where to put the wires now. I'll tell you. So the black wire, the first one, and you turn it like this. First one will connect from the lamp socket to the WC chip. Next, you want to connect from the 6th pin to the energy transfer. So here's where the wires are going. These are very clear instructions. Then, yes, it works! Wait, forgot to put the fan. It works, yes! It turns on everything. So it turns, stop the music. So what? So it turns on this light, this fan, and the speaker all at once. Okay, let's try again. It works! Let's go! So make sure to follow my steps, and you'll have a successful one. And here's how you turn the music off. To press switch, you just gotta press it. So let me show you. Press the press. Takes a bit of a time, but after that, another successful project.
Whoa, what was that?
Okay, and all the parts that should be left over are a U3 and a 5 piece. And if you stop the fan like this, that will be like, shine bright. Okay, now I'm just gonna clean all this up.
Alright guys, now I'm going to be doing my next project, which is Project 11, also known as the Flying Saucer.
I bet this is gonna be cool. I bet I'll fly like an alien spaceship. Okay, and it looks pretty easy to me.
Yep, it's very easy. So first what we need to do is take this RM1 motor piece. And there's some pieces.
But you're gonna need this.
Guys, my next project is called the flying saucer. And it's going to be very, very easy. So let's try it. First, I'm going to be taking this motor module piece and placing it.
Oh my god, there's a lot of hair.
Guys, my next project is going to be the flying saucer. It's also project 11. So guys,
That's going to be cool.
So guys, let's get right on that. First, we're going to need this M1 motor piece, and we're just going to place that right here on our pad.
And make sure you have the battery compartment. No machine can operate without that.
Yeah. Next, what we need, hold on. Next, first of all, we need the battery compartment. And we put that right here. Then, we're going to be needing a 3-module piece and placing it right over here in this area. And then we're going to be needing
this has a maximum of 5 pieces.
Now guys, then let's just take this and just put it right here. And then we're going to be needing this. Then we're going to be needing this S1 slide switch. And then put that right there. And then guys, all I need is the fan, and then let's see how it works. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I bet, no, when he turns it off, I bet it generates enough power for it to use. Ready? And turn it off.
Alright guys.
Ready, set.
Ready, set, go. Whoa!
Whoa! Got it. I got it right there. Well, that was actually pretty cool. It was like an alien spaceship. I'm gonna try it.
That was pretty cool.
Actually, no, we're gonna not. I don't think I should try it.
Let's do that. Let's do that again. That was pretty cool. I liked it. So, whoa, that was bad.
Yeah, he just turned it on and he just fell. He's a little clumsy, guys. Hey, you are. Look at this.
Anyway, let's generate enough speed, and then, whoa!
Got it again. Wow, this is actually pretty easy to catch. Or like, and this is not really fun, but it's good enough for me.
Alright guys, now we're going to be moving to Shri's next project.
Okay guys, so my next project is going to be called Light Police Siren. So first we're going to take a 6-module piece, place it right in the middle of your pin pad. Then take a U1. This is not U1. Alright, take a U1 and U2. Place them in this order, exactly 1 row of pins away from this 6 module, like this. Then for the U1, take a 3 module and an RP photoresistor. Photoresistor will go on the 3rd pin, the 3 module will go on the 2nd pin. For the U2, all you need is a 3 module, place it in the middle of the U2, like that. So you take a 2 module and you can connect these two together like that. Next, take another 2 module and place it on one side of the U2 and take a 5 module. First, you just want to place that on the pins and place it and then connect the 2 to that. Then take a 2, put it right here. And then this battery compartment, first take the battery compartment, place it there like that. So here is what I've done so far. Then next, after that, we're gonna take a 1 module. Whoa! We have 3. So take a 1 module, place it on the other side of the battery compartment. Then take a 2 right here and put it on the 1 module. And then this is where the speaker comes in. Speaker connects to the U2, and then the U2 connects onto the speaker, and the 2 connects onto the speaker. Like this. You see that? Like that. Then next after that, take a 4 module, and then put it on the pin. I have to break this speaker off and the 2 for a little bit, like this. Then take a slide switch. Connect these 2 together, like this. And then we're gonna finish, so I'm gonna see if it works. It works! I don't know if that's a police siren, but it works! So let's say it's like the police siren and the happy birthday song at once! So I think this plays happy birthday song just really fast. So if you like singing happy birthday song fast, I recommend this machine. So now I'm gonna clean everything up and Shri can do his last project. Alright guys, my last project is Project 15, the musical doorbell. So now let's get started. First we're going to be needing, I need to cut that video. Alright guys, now I'm going to be doing my last project, which is Project 15, the musical doorbell. So first what we're going to be needing is the 5 module piece. And then we're just going to stick that on right here, like that. Then we're going to be needing the U1 music IC module piece. And we're going to be needing this 3 module. And we're going to place the 3 module here. First we need to put the music there. And then we place the 3 module here to make a bridge from the 5 module to the U1 music IC module piece. Then what we're going to be needing is this S2 press switch. And we're just going to place that. Wait. No, guys, I'm doing it wrong. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be moving on to my last project, Project 15, the musical doorbell. So first what we're going to be needing is this 5 module piece. And we're just going to place that right here, like that. Then we're going to be taking this music piece, the U1 music IC module piece, and placing it right here, like that. Then you want to take a 3 module piece and place it. Wait a minute, I'm doing this all wrong. Whoa. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be moving on to my last project, the musical doorbell. So first, Project 15, the musical doorbell. So first what we're going to be needing is the 5 module piece. And we're going to be placing it right over here in this area. You have to place it in this area, in the 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, where it's covering. You have to place it there or else it will not work. So then you have to take a 3 module piece and a U1 music IC module piece. So first you want to take the music IC piece, placing that there, and then take in the 3 module and placing it here, like that. Then you want to take the S2 press switch and just placing it here, just like that. Then you want to take a 2 module piece and placing it right over here. But first, guys, you want to be taking the speaker module piece first, and then placing that right here, and then place the 2 module piece right here. Just like that. Then you want to take the S1 slide switch and place that here. But first, which we always need, the battery compartment, and placing it right over here. And then placing this slide switch right there. Doesn't work. Well, there's a lot more to do. Anyways, never mind that. Now what we need is the resistor piece. And we're going to be placing that right here on top. But first, we're going to be needing a 1 module and placing it under the resistor piece. Like this. And placing it here. Then what you want to take is the D1 LED light piece and placing it here. And then you take this piece and place it here. From the top of the S2 press switch to the bottom of the D1 LED switch.
Then you want to take, hold on, wait a minute. First, so you want to take this off. Then you want to put this, there we go. Alright guys, now I'm going to be moving on to my last project, Project 15, the musical doorbell. So let's get started on that. First, what you want to take is this 5 module piece, and you place it at 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If you don't place it there, your machine will not work. And it'll work, yeah, it won't work because you won't have any other space to fit the other pieces. Then you need to take a 3 module piece and the U1 music IC module. And then just place that right over here, like this. And then take the 3 module and place it here, like this. Then you want to take the 2 module piece, and you want to take the SP speaker piece, and placing it right here. Yeah, right there, like that. And then taking the 2 module and placing it as a bridge from the 5 module piece to the speaker piece. Alright, then what you want to take now is another 2 module piece and placing it as a bridge from the speaker to the U1 music IC module. Then what you want to take is the S2 press switch and placing this right there. But first, what you want to do, like that, then you want to take the R1 resistor piece and placing it right here. But first, guys, what you want to do is to take the D1 LED light piece and a 1 module and place the 1 module under the D1 LED light switch. Then you want to take your resistor and place it right here. Then what you want to do is on this side, you want to take that and place it here, like this, just like that. Then you want to take your 6 module piece and then just put it under the D1 LED light module piece, just like that. Then what you want to do is to take a 2 module, just like this. And guys, you don't have to follow my instructions if you're not doing the project. Anyways, then what you want to take is the S1 slide switch and the battery compartment. First, you want to place that right here. And then you want to take the 3 module, not the 3 module, the S1 slide switch, and placing it right here. Now guys, we have our musical doorbell. So first, let's turn it on and see if it works. First, I think I need to, hold on. Why isn't it working? Why isn't it working? Is that working? Why is it? Alright guys, now I'm going to be moving on to my last project, Project 15, the musical doorbell. So first guys, what you want to take is the 5 module piece. And by the way guys, you don't have to follow these instructions if you're not doing it. So anyway, take the 5 module piece and place it in 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If you do not place it there, your machine will not work because the pieces won't have much space to fit. So then what you want to take now is a 3 module and the U1 music IC part and placing that right here, and then place the 3 module making like this, making a bridge to cross from the Fi module to the U1 Music IC module. Anyway, then what you want to do is to take a 2 module and the speaker piece, and place speaker piece right here, and place 2 module bridge from the Fi module to the speaker piece. Then what you want to do next is to take another 2 module piece and place it right here from a bridge from the speaker to the U1 Music IC module piece. Then what you want to do is to take the S1 slide switch and then take the B1 battery compartment, and then put the battery compartment right here, and then take your slide switch and place it right here. Just like that. Then what you want to do is to take the S2 press switch and then place that right here. Then what you want to do is to take the R1 resistor piece and place it here. But first, before you do that, keep that aside. What you want to do first is to take the D1 LED light piece and a 1 module, and then flip it over and place the 1 module under the D1 piece, like this. Then what you want to do is to take your resistor, place it here, and wherever the 1 module is, you want to place it in the front, like this. So the R1 piece can connect from the S2 press switch to the D1 LED light piece. Then what you want to do is to take the 6 module and place it here. Then you need to take two modules and place one here, place one here, from the U1 Music IC module piece to the 6 module. Then you want to take the last 2 and place that. Oh my God, guys! Let's turn it on. Then place it right here from the 6 module piece to the battery compartment. Now let's turn it on. It works, guys. Yes. And guys, the slide switch turns on the music. The press switch turns on the LED light. You hear the music. I turned it on. Now the press switch. Oh guys, it only works when the music's on. You see it? It's light. It lit. Here, I'll give you guys a closer look at it. See? It lit. Alright guys, so that's my project.
Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video and share this video with everyone you know. And make sure to comment down below if you like our new snap circuits or not. Anyway, bye. Alright guys, so now that is the end of our Snap Circuits project. I hope you enjoyed it. And this is a very fun and educational project to teach kids. And it's a great way to teach circuits and electricity to kids. For example, the electric light and switch, the DC motor and switch, the sound activators, the adjusting sound level, or to get leveled up, you can do the reflection detector, or the Space War siren, or the Space War music combo. And there's a lot more spectacular projects that we can do in there, like a snap. And also, we can build over 100 electronic projects. That's a lot of projects. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with every single person
so you know. And make sure to comment down below and ring the notification bell for more spectacular and awesome videos on Shri and Shri Plays. Alright guys, bye!